Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up. This Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. EcoTech 3 engine, AutoTrack 4-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.